Hello guys, how you going? Skypilot here. This is my first Tyro 109. Welcome to my channel. I've just installed a little ripper TBS M8 GPS on this 109 and I'm going to take it for a quick fly. I've got the Azure Props on. I'm going to take the 109 for a quick fly because what I'm doing is doing a direct comparison with the Racerstar Edition Tyro 109 that I have just uploaded also on my channel. So check out that video up there guys. It's the exact same build as this, however it sports some pretty decent Racerstar air sea motors which are absolutely fantastic. So what I'm going to do is take this 109 up for a quick fly. Now I have the GPS installed and I'm going to see just how fast this 109 flies, and then I'm going to put the Azure Props on my Racerstar Edition and I'm going to also install the GPS and see how fast that 109 goes. Should be interesting. I'm pretty certain the Racerstar Edition will go a little bit better than this one, but we shall find out shortly. Let's get the 109 in the air and do a couple of speed runs. Quick specs on this build guys. Yeah, as I said, I have the Azure Props on, links down below. TBS GPS, stock standard VTX antenna. We're pumping out 600 milliwatts and I have my Crossfire receiver. Dynegy 1500 4S. Okay, let's go. Okay, 10 GPSs. I haven't set any fail safes with my GPS. There's no return to home or anything yet. I may do that in a later build. See how fast this 109 goes with the Azure Props. First of all, let's have a little bit of a look around. Yep, there's a phone tower over there. I won't go anywhere near there. Make sure there's nobody about the place. This thing does make a little bit of noise guys, but it does fly really, really well. Okay. Well, it looked like 110 kilometers an hour. Thought I might be able to get 110, 120 out of this, so that was the first run. Just warming the motors up. $104. I think about 110 is going to be our magic number here guys. Not too sure how that sun's going to look with the VTX. Okay, let's get a bit of height and we'll try for something a little bit better than 110. $119. Yeah, I'd say 120 k's is going to be our number guys. That's the number for the Racerstar to beat, 120 kilometers an hour. One last run because I'm pretty sure we're going to have depleted our battery pretty quickly doing this sort of stuff. $130 meters from home. The 600 milliwatt VTX on this thing is fantastic guys. Okay, put them down. 100, 121 guys. Okay, 120. 121 k's an hour. Okay, let's bring it home. we're looking at about 120, maybe 121k an hour with the Azure Props. So that's going to be really interesting to see how the Racerstar Edition 109 goes. Comments for sure, drop them below, smash that thumbs up, crack on that bell so you get my next video. Good on you guys. See you next time. Bye for now.